expensive. Ay, nay.
What's wrong? You don't have energy.
Ina man.
I waited for you last night. I thought we were going to have some action. You did not come.
Siba na man. I don't know what happened. You but those days we used to have.
Why you always don't
time,
have
man.
energy? Why don't you always have energy?
Stress.
Which kind of stress is that?
Please don't force me on doing certain things. I'm weak. Sina man.
And I'm sorry
I will
to
see
think
pro-
that
I
I
will
knocked your shifu. You should not be a shifu here.
I knocked a sheep.
Oh,
I am not
I
okay.
can see from your face.
My husband does not do anything. He just sits at home. Every time he doesn't have energy. Every time he says he's even at night, even after going to bed. Very, very poor. I don't know what to do, doctor.
Energy for bed on low or even
Even day to day like
now what I want to do. Make special natural energy booster. Energy what?
will it work for me, doctor?
Hey,
Wow.
tell you what we mixed wild honey from Congo and we mixed in cocoa from Bundi Bundi. The actual original organic cocoa. We blended it and we made something that's like chocolate. Just take 1 teaspoon and someone will have energy. The Baganda say mugumunga akola ki? Asula kutaka.
Hey, doctor, the words you're using, like as you're saying, how long does it take to work?
Be careful, don't give him excess. Because in the morning the ambulance will pick you.
Doctor,
It is
the
what-
way you're saying, you mean it's going to work immediately like this?
Like a charm. Immediate like a charm. You give him get energy for daytime. Real energy constructing is going to work more than the Bachiga. Then at night, I hope your house is soundproof.
Doctor, I want this medicine today.
You see?
This is the one.
Hey, this one here.
Please give it to me today. Go
You
with
have
it today.
put for him in tea, in the porridge, in anything he can take.
How is the dosage, doctor?
Can use 5 drops
Drops.
or 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
Hey. Just pray and use, the rest is history. Please don't do overdose.
Okay.
I don't want to find you in Mulago when you are admitted.
Thank you.
Kale bang. Success in your
Have a
marriage.
good day.
Kale bang.